Welcome all for this match number 7 of IQL, that is the Indian Quizzing League, our quest to find India's best quizzer amongst all of you. दोस्तों बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका आज इस प्रोग्राम के लिए और आज हम लेकर आ रहे हैं आपके पास फिर सेलेक्टेड चैम्पियन क्विजर्स और बताते हैं बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि दीज क्विजर्स आर फ्रॉम वन ऑफ यू मीन्स बेसिकली आप सब जो ज्वाइन करते हैं और जो इस क्विजिंग का फॉर्मेट है आप सही आंसर देते हैं, हम आपको चूज़ करते हैं और इनवाइट करते हैं. तो बिना कोई देरी किए लेट्स स्टार्ट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आवर players for today. Welcoming first is Chiranjeev Singh. Chiranjeev is a FMCG sales head for North Zone of India, and he is, apart from quizzing, having deep interest in philanthropy as well. Chiranjeev joins from Delhi. Welcome, Chiranjeev. Apart from Chiranjeev, next player is Karthik. Karthik again joins from Delhi. Karthik is basically he's working in a solar corporation, a government-owned entity, and he has a deep interest in music and Bollywood as well. Karthik, welcome to you. Joining Karthik is Devasmit Panja from Haldia. Devasmit is an electrical engineer and has been playing for last few matches. A very good quizzer. Welcome, Devasmit. Along with welcoming Devasmit, we go all the way from east to now extreme west, and we have Pankaj Yadav. Pankaj Yadav is joining from Vapi, Gujarat. Pankaj works as a quality executive in world's best quality certification companies, and he's a good Facebook, means he do a lot of blogging on Facebook as well. So Pankaj again is a find from one of you. Welcome, Pankaj. And finally we have Sameer. Sameer is making a debut today, and Sameer के बारे में थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा बताते हैं. Sameer is he's an entrepreneur. He's an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad. He's the author of many books, and he's a TEDx speaker as well. Sameer, as an entrepreneur, is working on low-cost innovations, and he's worked on oxygen concentrators during the second wave and has worked vigorously as a volunteer. So Sameer, we welcome you and appreciate all your good work. और दोस्तों, Sameer is KBC hot seat winner as well. So इससे आपको पता लगेगा कि प्रोग्राम का हमारा क्या स्टैंडर्ड है. So we had a KBC winner last week, and today we have one in Sameer. Welcome, Sameer, again. And finally we have Sachin from Dugout. Sachin as a last minute replacement because of a lot of people getting stuck today in traffic, and he joins again from Haldia, and he works in a multinational company as an assistant manager. Welcome, Sachin. Okay, so this is our line out for today, and as all the times, helping me out in co-presenting the IQL is Pulkit. Pulkit, you can come on screen. You can spotlight yourself if you want. So Pulkit is basically a chartered accountant by profession. He also works in an MNC based out of Delhi, and he is the man to watch out for all the participants because he will be keeping the scores as well. Welcome, Pulkit. And everything which happens at the backhand, which looks like it's happening automatically, doesn't happen like that. So इसके लिए Pulkit is the person responsible for it. Okay, दोस्तों, so अब बिना कोई देरी किए हम वेलकम करते हैं हमारे क्विज मास्टर सर. हमारे क्विज मास्टर हैं दीपक तनेजा, जिनको आप अच्छी तरह जान गए होंगे. Deepak has been an all India quizzer. He has been hosting a lot of quizzes, and he's a very passionate knowledge seeker. So over to you, Deepak.
Thank you, Anurag. So it's that time of the week again when we meet and enjoy a bit of quizzing for around half an hour, 40 minutes. And I think really thank you very much for making this happen, because this is one of the most, I would say, sought after time of the week, for me at least. And
Right.
mind, it has been a rough day in office today. We had some problems here in Haldia, and
ठीक है दीपक, तो आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स भी दूर करते हैं बिना कोई देरी किए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो आप बताना चाहेंगे रूल्स. So basically rules everyone knows, so they can just read out. They can just read themselves. And Deepak, we'll welcome our debut today. तीन डेब्यूटेंट्स हैं आज, समीर, कार्तिक और सचिन चौरसिया. So all of you get a cap today, and assume that instead of Dhoni, it is Deepak there, handing you caps. Okay, Deepak, over to you.
Thank you very much. All the debutants are carry the name of famous cricketers.
Oh, wow.
Sameer Dighe, Sachin Tendulkar, and Murli Karthik.
क्या बात है. Okay, so Deepak, if you allow, can I open the first question?
Certainly.
And yes, Deepak.
Yes. This is for the team members. Apart from Switzerland, which is the other country to have a square flag?
Participants have to raise their hands. So I can see Sameer and Chiranjeev raising. So now Karthik. So closes now. So first Chiranjeev, I saw. Chiranjeev, over to you.
Denmark.
Sorry? Chiranjeev can.
Your answer?
Denmark.
Okay, -10 to you. Chiranjeev, over to Sameer. Yeah, Chiranjeev, your answer is wrong. You can mute yourself. Chiranjeev, you can mute. Sameer,
This is Japan.
okay, -10 again to Sameer. And then finally we have Karthik. Karthik, we can't hear you. There is some problem with your audio, Karthik. Please set it out. Just take out this microphone. Just speak without. Yeah, take this out. Yeah, go ahead. Quickly.
Yeah.
Quickly, go ahead.
Is it Finland?
Okay, -10 to you as well. So, Deepak, बहुत ही dangerous start हुई आज game की. Okay, so let's move on to our audience. Amreshwar is the first person.
Answer.
Amreshwar, yeah. Amreshwar, if
Yeah. Vatican City.
yes, so Deepak, what do you say?
Certainly, that answer is correct. Satiji, he gets it right. It's Switzerland and Vatican City.
Okay,
Both
great.
are countries, both don't indulge in any wars.
Right. Okay, so first points audience के पास जा रहे हैं. Can we lower all the hands? And now the participant who gets the first question, direct question, first question, is coming to Chiranjeev. Chiranjeev, if you can be there on screen. And Pulkit, you can add me as well. Right, Chiranjeev. So can you unmute Chiranjeev and just say hi?
Yeah. Hello.
Great. So Chiranjeev, your question coming your way. Which two Indian states recently clashed violently over the border dispute? वो कौन से दो states हैं इंडिया के जिनके बीच में अभी violent dispute हुआ था? So if you want, you can go first.
Assam and Mizoram.
Assam and Mizoram. So let's ask audience. So you can mute yourself now, Chiranjeev. There's a background noise from your side. And let's ask audience. आपकी बारी आ चुकी है, तो उससे पहले जैसे कि हम टेस्ट करते हैं आप सबको, तो एक टेस्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए. जस्ट प्रेस योर एंड आप जो बाकी 5 लोग हैं जो स्टेज पे खेल रहे हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं इसको. सो जस्ट ट्राई योर लक एवरीवन. Okay, so everyone is ready to play. So here comes the question which was asked चिरंजीव से, जो हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा था. देखते हैं आप क्या जवाब देते हैं. So this is the question for you all. Which two Indian states recently clashed violently over the border dispute? Assam or Mizoram, Assam or Manipur, Assam or Meghalaya, या Assam or Nagaland? Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Assam is the common one. And I'm closing the poll. Chiranjeev, ये रहे आपके लिए results. आप देख सकते हैं. आपको दिख रहे हैं चिरंजीव? So you can, Chiranjeev can unmute. Okay, so Chiranjeev.
I think everybody has given
Yeah, the
Assam
same
and
one.
Mizoram.
Right. So Chiranjeev, you're right. So you get +10 for this answer, and that's a good beginning for you. So for the sake of audience, Yes, you are right. The answer is Assam and
Thank you, sir.
Mizoram. Great. So, Chiranjeev, you scored 10 points. And अब बारी आती है दीपक जी की. दीपक जी,
Yeah,
क्या
I think
पूछेंगे?
after a bouncer, after the first bouncer, the very next ball he took a full toss and hit it for 4 runs. That was a
Great.
beautiful Chiranjeev actually. He didn't
So,
wait for
Deepak,
the things to come.
so दीपक, अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं? दिखाएं हम दर्शकों को.
दिखाएंगे भाई, पूछेंगे. Okay. What's the controversy? Simple
Okay,
answer.
Sachin from dugout has raised his hand. Okay, and he's the only one
No,
from
two
the.
participants. Yeah, dugout.
So I think let's close it and go over to Sachin. Sachin from dugout making his debut. देखते हैं फर्स्ट बॉल पे 6 मारते हैं कि नहीं मारते हो. Sachin, you unmute yourself quickly. Yes, Sachin. What is your answer?
We are representing the Pakistan country, and one of them from POK.
Okay, so -10 Sachin आपके लिए. And let's move on to Amreshwar has already answered. So let's move to Pulkit. Let's move to U Datta. U Datta ने हाथ पिछली बार भी खड़ा किया था. Let's see U Datta क्या बोलते हैं. So U Datta, what is your answer?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so I think they're not wearing masks, so they have broken the COVID rules.
Okay, so what? Deepak ji, आप क्या बोलेंगे?
Perfect answer. Perfect answer.
So U Datta, you win a audience direct prize. So can you introduce yourself? Where are you from? Quickly.
Yeah, hi, I'm Utsav, and I stay in Gurgaon. So yeah.
Great. And what do you do, Utsav?
Yeah, I'm an engineer.
Okay.
Working in an MNC.
Great, great. So congrats, Utsav. I think you're joining first time and
Yeah.
first debut with a 4. That's great. So basically, Deepak, I think मोहतरमा ने मास्क नहीं पहना वो तो चलेगा, ठीक है ना? और उनके साथ जो भाईजान है उनको मास्क पहनना बहुत जरूरी था. So yeah, you're right. So लगता है इनकी पार्टी हो रही है, पावरी हो रही है. And there you see the Indian disciplined contingent led by Mary Kom and the hockey captain Manpreet. Great. So good going so far. And अब बारी आती है फिर से ऑडियंस की. तो इससे पहले हम ऑडियंस से पूछें. कार्तिक को लेके आते हैं. कार्तिक, you can unmute yourself and can you hear me, Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay, so Karthik, all the best. Here comes your question. So Karthik, this is from Bollywood. और आपने बोला था Bollywood भी आपको पसंद है, तो you will take it. I think you will take it for a 6. Who shares the honor of winning maximum Filmfare Awards as Best Actor along with Dilip Kumar? So along with Dilip Kumar, who is the other actor who has won the maximum Filmfare Awards as Best Actor? So if you are not sure, you can take audience here. So
Yeah, audience.
great. So छूटता ही audience. So that is the pressure game for everyone here. और audience देखते हैं आपको ये आंसर आता है कि नहीं आता है. तो ऑल तैयार हो जाइए ऑडियंस. और ये क्वेश्चन आपके स्क्रीन पे अब आ गया है. So who shares the honor for maximum Filmfare Awards? Is it Amitabh Bachchan? Is it Amir Khan? Is it Shah Rukh Khan? Or is it Rajesh Khanna as Best Actor along with Dilip Kumar? Okay, so we are closing the poll. Close करते हैं अभी. और कार्तिक, ये देखिए आपके लिए रिजल्ट्स हैं. So 72% are saying SRK, Rajesh Khanna 17%, and Amir Khan 6%, and Amitabh Bachchan 8%. So Karthik, what would you want to do?
Yeah, I gut feeling was Shah Rukh Khan only, but I don't want to take a risk. I will go with Shah Rukh Khan.
You'll go with Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan will give you +5. Great. So Shah Rukh Khan it is.
Yeah, first time seat was Shah Rukh Khan only, but I didn't want to take a chance. Already -10 was there.
Oh, right. So Deepak, any idea कितना अवार्ड जीते हैं?
8 हैं शायद.
8, हाँ, 8 awards, and there you see on the screen. So great going, Karthik. You win +5 points, and your net score is -5, I think. So Deepak, आप क्या
Yeah.
पूछने वाले हैं?
Karthik played very safely. He just took a single. Didn't go for the big hit.
सो दीपक, आपके किटी में अब क्या है?
मेरी
दिखाएं?
kitty में आप बताएं, निकालिए पोटली. Who's this gentleman? Identify.
Okay, so देवस्मित, पंकज, एंड वी क्लोज इट नाउ. सो उसके बाद यू दत्ता और गिरीश हैं, तो गिरीश के पास जाएंगे अगर देवस्मित और पंकज ने रॉन्ग आंसर दिया तो. देवस्मित, ओवर टू यू.
अभिनव बिंद्रा.
अभिनव बिंद्रा. दीपक, अभिनव बिंद्रा ऐसे लगते हैं?
Does it look like?
So let's go to, I think, okay, just joking. So Abhinav Bindra it is. Great. +10. What a beginning.
Went
Okay,
for a
great.
six. Loose ball and went for a 6.
So Abhinav Bindra is the first and the only gold medalist so far. Let's hope we get more. Doesn't look like so as an individual, but let's see. So अब बारी आ गई है फिर से क्वेश्चन पूछने की मेरी. So let's get back to पंकज. ओके, देवस्मित. देवस्मित, अभी आपने आंसर दिया और आप ही की बारी है, तो देवस्मित, लेट्स गेट यू स्पॉटलाइटेड. ओके देवस्मित, कैन यू अनम्यूट एंड
Yes,
कैन यू हियर मी?
yes sir.
देवस्मित, आपकी बहुत किस्मत अच्छी है लग रहा है आज. एक और स्पोर्ट्स का क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. विच एथलीट वाज द फाइनल टॉर्च बेयरर फॉर द ओलंपिक 2020 टोक्यो? सो बेसिकली हु लेड द कॉल्ड्रन बेसिकली? Who was the final person to lit the cauldron of what? तो
I
अगर
will
जरा
take the audience.
Okay, you take the, so everybody playing very safe. Audience, आपकी फिर से हमें ज़रूरत है, और जो जितना जल्दी आंसर देगा उस वो भी काउंट होता है, तो try to be very fast. And here comes the question, audience. Which athlete was the final torch bearer for the Olympic 2020? And nobody going, or is it my computer?
Vinny,
Okay,
already
yeah.
told you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we are ending the polling now.
I think Anurag is disconnected.
Yeah.
Hello, audible.
Yeah, you are audible, Devasmith. I think Anurag is disconnected. So Deepak ji, let's show results and let's
Show the
see
result.
what Devasmith says. So Devasmith, these are the results.
Yes, I am. I was guessing it. It should be Naomi Osaka, but I didn't.
So do you want to go with Naomi Osaka?
Yes, yes. I will go with Naomi Osaka.
Okay. And how can the audience be wrong? You get +5 for that.
Yes.
Great. So I'm back. Sorry, there was a disconnect. So good going, Devasmith. So Deepak ji, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So आपकी बारी फिर से आ गई है दीपक. उससे पहले मैं आंसर दिखा देता हूँ formally for the audience. So that's Naomi Osaka. She lit this lamp which resembled like a volcano. So Japan is famous for volcanoes, so this was a volcano resemblance. Okay, Deepak. अब आप क्या पूछने वाले हैं?
Prize.
Surprise. Okay. So here comes from Deepak.
Okay. The brand is owned by which Bollywood celebrity? This is designer sarees, 3 new exclusive designs. See the logo carefully and you can work it out.
So Sameer is going, so we won't give any more hints. And Sameer is the only one from the, Sameer is the only one from the players lobby. So over to you, Sameer.
Is it Shilpa Shetty? And this is Raj Kundra.
शिल्पा शेट्टी कैसे निकाला आपने? शिल्पा शेट्टी, आपके दिमाग में आजकल शिल्पा शेट्टी क्यों घूम रही है इसमें?
एक तो करेंट न्यूज में और दूसरे मुझे एस दिखाई दे रहा है उसमें, डबल एस.
डबल एस दिख रहा है.
दीपक will explain. So Deepak, you can explain what is the logo sounding like?
This is basically, is my mouse visible?
Yeah. आपका दिखेगा, मैं बताता हूँ, ये S and the K in between.
S and then K. But Samir was
Great.
more, Samir was stressing more on Raj Kundra. It seems he's interested in Raj Kundra's ventures rather than Shilpa Shetty's.
ओके, वेलकम समीर. सो आज बहुत कोइंसिडेंस हो रहा है समीर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी आपके लिए आ रहा है. तो पहले देवस्मित ने आंसर दिया, बट सॉरी पंकज, पहले पंकज को लेते हैं. पंकज, यू वेट समीर. सो पंकज, लेट्स गो टू यू. ओके पंकज, यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. And can you hear me, Pankaj?
Yes, sir.
Pankaj, okay, great. So just keep speaking so I know that you're hearing. Okay, great. So this question is coming to you. Pankaj, this is a slightly current affair. Which is the first Indian city to get round the clock drinking tap water? वो पहली कौन सी सिटी है इंडिया की जिसका 24/7 ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम टैप स्टार्ट हुआ है?
Puri,
सरप्राइजिंग है. पुरी. ओके, पूरी उड़ीसा. ओके. So let's ask audience, आपकी बारी आ गई है, देखते हैं आप क्या बोलते हैं. So audience, here is your chance. Which is the first Indian city to get round the clock drinking water? Okay, we'll be closing shortly the polling. और पंकज, ऑडियंस ने इस तरह जवाब दिया है. 88% कह रहे हैं पुरी एंड 12% कह रहे हैं भुवनेश्वर. सो पुरी इज राइट बेसिकली. सो पुरी विल गिव यू पुरी लेटर ऑन. यू कैन हैव पुरी हलवा इफ यू विन, पंकज. सो पुरी इज द राइट आंसर. ग्रेट. सो यू गेट +10. Good going, Pankaj.
Very
And
but really, Pankaj is hitting everything for 4 or 6. वो अलग बात है कई बार.
right. Okay, दीपक, अब नेक्स्ट आप क्या पूछेंगे? स्पोर्ट्स से पूछ रहे हैं कुछ? Sports is the flavor. So this is from the Pitara of Deepak.
Connect both. What's the common connect?
Okay, तो दीपक,
Even if you
No, but-
think one, then you can get the other.
so समीर ने बटन दबा दिया है, तो let's not give any hints. So over to you, Samir.
Somebody has pressed it.
Yeah, Samir is there. Samir.
Both has been Olympic medalist and then involved in crime thereafter.
Okay, so -10 to you, Samir. And nobody else is going for it, Deepak. Amreshwar is there, so let's go to Amreshwar. Yes, Amreshwar.
I think both got the first silver medalist, I think, and bronze, because Sushil and Norman Pritchard. I'm just guessing. I mean, I'm not sure about this.
So what is the answer?
So Norman Pritchard became a filmmaker also and acted and.
What is the answer? Answer. Give
jail.
an answer. Give the answer. Straight
So-
answer.
Olympians, athletes. I mean, Sushil Kumar is not an athlete anyway, but anyway, that's what I thought. I mean,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not getting the right connect.
So I think
They
I
went
think you.
to police.
I think,
They were arrested. They were arrested also. So
okay, just mute yourself. So you gave something right, but let's ask Deepak ji.
Well, I think we went for the wrong connect. I mean, wrong thing. Basically, there are only 2 Indians to have won 2 medals in Olympics in individual events.
Great.
If it's the Norman Pritchard an Indian, then it is before independence 2 medals, and then Sushil Kumar post independence 2 medals. So far, no one has won 2 medals. Mary
So
Kom just-
Deepak, I was just thinking, will this record hold tomorrow or not? Because tomorrow there's a game with.
should not. I think she should be in their club.
Okay, great. Okay, so I could see Samir entering the arena. Samir, welcome. और अब finally आपके लिए question आ रहा है, Samir. So
Had it
Samir,
been
if you can
club
unmute.
today, Anurag, had it been club today, then you would have changed the question. or you would have said then you would change the answer that only male athletes win 2 medals. Huh? I know that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ग्रेट
Sir, ready?
समीर या सो आपके लिए जो आपके और ऑडियंस के लिए लास्ट फाइनल क्वेश्चन आ रहा है उसके बाद ऑडियंस आपके लिए क्वेश्चंस हैं विल टेक अ परफॉर्मेंस ब्रेक और उसके बाद 3 क्वेश्चंस और हैं ऑडियंस और सबों के लिए विच आर द क्रूशियल क्वेश्चंस सो एज टू से सो समीर ऑल द बेस्ट और दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड हाउ इज योर बॉलीवुड
Okay, sir.
ओके सो आपको बताना है अमोल पालेकर का गोलमाल में क्या नाम था या क्या नाम थे कोई भी एक नाम बता देंगे तो भी चलेगा
सर राम प्रसाद लक्ष्मण प्रसाद, एक राम प्रसाद का रोल था, एक लक्ष्मण प्रसाद का रोल था।
एंड हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट यू आर
अरे
चलो अभी
100%
ऑडियंस से पूछते हैं अभी ऑडियंस का क्या विचार है सो ऑडियंस दिस इज क्वेश्चन फॉर यू एंड गोलमाल में अमोल पालेकर के क्या नाम थे इज इट सिद्धू अमरिंदर इज इट राम लक्ष्मण इज इट राहुल नरेंद्र इज इट कपिल सुनील सो okay so Sameer this is the answers she has you can see the result so you are right Sameer so it is okay so you get plus 10 congrats
Thank you, sir.
and this is the answer
Ram Prasad Dashrath Prasad Sharma.
Yeah.
Sharma
Yes.
Prasad Dashrath Prasad Sharma.
Yes.
Right.
Sir.
great so yeah so Pankaj आपसे बाद में आपसे हाथ आपने खड़ा किया so this was a question for Sameer only so great so this is the first half of our playing so as to say zone and जैसा कि अब आपको पता लग ही गया होगा कि हम बीच में एक ब्रेक लेते हैं और ब्रेक में हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट आते हैं और आज के हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट जो आप सबको बहुत चहेते हो भी गए हैं is Ritvik. So welcome Ritvik on the screen.
Hello everyone. I'm happy to be back.
Great. So here Ritvik is for you. So Ritvik, welcome again.
Yes.
And thanks for joining.
बारिश
और
तो I'm singing.
कुछ कह रहे हैं
बारिश का मौसम है. So
ओह अच्छा ग्रेट
सावन.
ओह क्या बात है वेरी गुड सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन लेट्स हैव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम एंड अभी मैं चैट आपके लिए खोल रहा हूँ तो आप चैट कर सकते हैं सब लोग साउंड कुछ कम आ रहा है थोड़ा सा शायद साउंड थोड़ा ठीक कीजिए हाँ
झिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी है अगन झिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदें अरमां हमारे पलकें न मूंदें जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदें अरमां हमारे पलकें न मूंदें कैसे देखे सपने नयन सुलग जाए भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी अगन झिम झिम गिरे सावन महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल बंध रहा है इस अजनबी से महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी हाय करे अब क्या जतन सुलग सुलग जाए भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी अगन झिम झिम गिर सावन सुलग सुलग जाए भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी अगन झिम झिम गिर सावन
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. सो लेट्स क्लैप फॉर ऋत्विक. ऋत्विक, तुमने बहुत ही कंटेक्चुअल गाना जैसे कहते हैं गाया. और एंड आई नो दैट आप डिफरेंट जनर के गाने गाते हैं, तो दिस वाज रियल ग्रेट. सो कैन वी हेयर अगेन फॉर ऋत्विक. एंड ऋत्विक, इसको दिस सॉन्ग को दीपक, इफ यू रिमेंबर, इसको फीमेल्स वर्जन में भी गाया है, फीमेल वर्जन में. सो ऋत्विक, यू रिमेंबर? सॉरी, या ऋत्विक, यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Just Sneha ji, just unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, Lata Mangeshkar had sung the song.
Great. So you remember पिछले प्रोग्राम में आपके साथ अर्पिता और वैशाली आई थी, तो पुलकित, कैन वी सी अगर अर्पिता और वैशाली इज देयर, और उनको जरा.
Arpita is there.
Okay, let's see, let Pulkit find out Arpita is there or not. So Pulkit, अगर अर्पिता है तो let's get her on screen randomly.
Hi, this was really unexpected.
Okay, welcome Arpita. So thanks, first of all, thanks, you join every program.
Yeah.
और
That's a beautiful.
ऋत्विक की डिमांड है. यस, सो ऋत्विक की डिमांड है अर्पिता की लता मंगेशकर का वर्जन.
Arpita,
आई नो आई एम पुटिंग यू ऑन द स्पॉटलाइट.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Thanks,
एक
Ritvik.
बार ऋत्विक कुछ पूछ रहा है. ऋत्विक कुछ बोल रहे हो आप?
he told Arpita to sing the song, female version.
क्या बात है, ऋत्विक इज ऑर्डरिंग यू, सो हाउ कैन वी रिफ्यूज?
I'll give it a try. Definitely. Thanks, Ritvik.
I know you do it.
पहले भी यूं तो बरसे थे बादल, पहले भी यूं तो भीगा था जल. ला 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 ला. पहले भी यूं तो बरसे थे बादल, पहले भी यूं तो भीगा था आंचल. अब के बरस क्यों सजन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन. भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन. झिम गिरे सावन.
Very good, Arpita.
वाओ, क्या बात है.
Was
ग्रेट अर्पिता.
Thank you.
So looks like we are building a team already within the quizzing community. इतने अच्छे singers, and ऋत्विक is always there. So great अर्पिता, मैंने आपको स्पॉटलाइट पे एकदम से डाला, और आई नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट, बट मुझे ये भी पता था कि आप किशोर कुमार की बहुत बड़ी फैन है, तो आपको ये गाना आता होगा. So good, you remembered both versions. Great. Okay, welcome. Enjoy the show, Arpita. Let's get back to the game.
Sure.
And welcome, Ritwik. You also enjoy and stay back for the prize distribution.
Let's say that.
Okay, great. So thanks. So let's get back to the game now quickly. और दीपक जी आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, Ritik was great and he really refreshed the mood. I feel refreshed. So, so was Arpita. And I think when she was singing that Alap, La La La, I was really remembering that Lata Ji's song. It was really
Wow.
sounding like there was music along. I mean, it never felt that there was no music along.
Great.
Great.
और here are the scores for you. So Sameer doing plus minuses a lot of times, and Debasmith playing smart plus 15, Pankaj plus 10, Karthik plus 5, and Sachin is a new joinee, so he'll take time, but yeah, enjoy the game.
Very close. Again, it's going to be a cliffhanger.
Great. Looks like, yeah.
Sameer, it seems
Okay.
like that double wicket cricket very much, wherein you get negative points for getting out and sixes for 6 runs for sixes. Right, Anurag?
Yeah, looks like. So दीपक अब फाइनल 3 क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं हमारे पास, 3 क्वेश्चंस, एंड दीपक आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे कि they should play safe, right? They should play cautiously.
I think there's no need to play cautiously because this is a slog over and you score as much. I mean, cautious तो होना पड़ेगा. The problem with this type of format is, I won't say problem, the fun with this type of format is that the one who has already scored comes under pressure now, and the one who has not comes without pressure. I mean, he plays without pressure, he or she without pressure. So you have 45 points to win. Yeah, 45 points there to win. So it's anybody's game. And for the last 3 games we are watching, that the game ends up on the last question only. Let's hope it happens this time too.
और मैं देख रहा हूँ देवस्मिथ हंस रहे हैं, पर उनकी हंसी में भी थोड़ा सा घबराहट है. So okay, let's start. So I'm just joking. So all the best. So दीपक आपके लिए मैं क्वेश्चन ओपन करता हूँ.
Yeah, on the buzzers. Okay, list of what and what, who's the missing person? Jagan Mohan Reddy, Pema Khandu, Hemant Soran, Conrad Sangma, Naveen Patnaik, M.K. Stalin, and who?
ओके, सो पंकज यादव ने हाथ खड़ा किया है बहुत जल्दी से, और ऑडियंस आप भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं अगर आपको आता हो. तो दिस इज द राइट टाइम. सावेरी इज देयर, आवर लास्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेंट. ओके, सो आई थिंक लेट्स क्लोज इट एंड गो टू पंकज. पंकज क्विकली आपका आंसर क्या है?
सर कर्नाटका के सीएम बी बसवराज.
And what is the connect?
अच्छा, और
उनके सबके पापा चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं.
Lovely. That's a beautiful answer. All hit straight out the ground, straight out of the ground. Lovely. 15 points to Pankaj for that. He really made it. I mean, he made it look so simple, but it was not as simple as you think. He made it look so simple.
Right.
Points, yeah.
अभी देवस्मिथ टेंशन में आ चुका है. सो देवस्मिथ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम माय साइड, एंड मेरे क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी होते हैं, तो डोंट वरी. सो Devasmith, here is your question, and this is the penultimate question, so don't worry, stay calm. Or I'm just saying Devasmith, but it's open for everyone. But Devasmith has to crack one of the twos. Okay, so here comes for everyone. Connect to a person. ये चारों फोटोज एक पर्सन को कनेक्ट करती हैं, और समीर प्लस माइनस करते हुए फिर से हाथ खड़ा किया ना सबसे पहले. समीर के बाद पंकज है, पंकज के बाद चिरंजीव है, एंड वील क्लोज द पाउंड्स नाउ. Okay, so yes, Sameer.
Sir, answer is Vikram Batra. Ye Dil Mange More, and then very recent. And Deepak sir has been framing questions on recent events. So connect is Vikram Batra.
हाँ, but बाकी दो कनेक्ट क्या है?
So he has worked in a movie. Abhishek Bachchan played the role of Vikram Batra, and then that's the Pepsi.
Great, again. Yeah. So
Dil Mange More. Yeah.
So Vikram Batra it is, and now it gets getting Deepak. It's getting hotter and hotter. So now Sameer and I think Devasmith are tied. Pulkit, is it a good time to show scores if possible?
If it is possible, then good. I think it's going to be
Otherwise हम ऐसे ही बता सकते हैं.
Just 10 seconds.
Onto the wire.
हाँ. So I think Devasmith, you are keeping the score also, right? Devasmith, you must be also keeping the scores for everyone. So I think Devasmith and Pankaj both are now at 15.
Devasmith is
Not
at
Pankaj,
15,
Sameer.
Pankaj is at 25.
Oh, acha. No, okay. Sameer, I thought. Sameer.
And Sameer
Sameer.
is at 15. I'll just share it.
Sure.
My God, what a scorecard. What a
Great.
score.
So
Even
so
Chiranjeev
Devas-
came first banner in their workshop, like Devasmith did the last.
great. So stop sharing.
Okay.
And
Beautiful.
and that is what it has boiled down to. So let's see what comes now.
Okay, on
And
the buzzer.
here comes the final question. और फाइनल क्वेश्चन आपको पता ही है, हरदम हम बहुत इजी रखते हैं, तो बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िएगा. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. सो दीपक जी, अब बहुत लंबा क्वेश्चन है, आप पढ़ना मत, लेट देम रीड देमसेल्व्स. Okay, here comes the question. So basically, demand of X, rural India, urban India, these are the keywords. Metro city. So pandemic में किसकी डिमांड बढ़ी है ज़्यादा? And nobody going, surprisingly. So Deepak इसमें, हाँ, yeah, sure. Okay, Arpita, the singer of today, cracked it. Girish have also cracked. So I think let's close for the players, because we have already have audiences. So let's go to Arpita, and Arpita could be the man of the two.
Anurag, no player.
Sorry,
has
Deepak.
raised-
हाँ, नो प्लेयर. समीर ने बहुत लेट खड़ा किया, आप नहीं पूछ सकते. So let's go to
Somebody was saying it's going to-
Arpita. Let's go to Arpita. So Arpita, you can be the man of the tournament by answering this.
Oxygen.
Ah,
Oxygen means?
rural India. What has to do with rural India?
Oxygen is a good thought, but not exactly.
Oxygen क्या होगा भाई?
Okay, let's go to Girish Chandra.
Girish.
Hello?
Yes, Girish.
Cycle, sir, cycle.
Lovely. That's a beautiful answer.
So cycle it is. So this was a question which, Sameer, I don't know whether you had this right answer, but you were already winning, so that's fine. So you can lower the hand. And so that is the game today. And thanks for joining. And I'm just opening the chat again, so you can start chatting and tell how you feel about. Okay. And somebody is unmuted, so can you mute yourself? You can hear a lot of sound. Okay, so great. So this is what it is for today, and the winner is, over to Pulkit. You want to show the slide? Yes, Deepak ji, please announce the winner.
Yeah, so Chiranjeev, Sachin, hard luck. And Karthik tried very well, but he could not go forward behind that single, beyond that single. And then we had Devasmith and Sameer giving some jitters at 15. They are tied up at second spot, but the winner for today's quiz is Pankaj with 25 points, with the cracker of an answer. Pankaj.
Great. So great. So Pulkit, you can have Ritvik for the presentation. And stop sharing. So Ritvik, oh.
Hearty congratulations, Pankaj.
So let me add Pankaj also. Where is Pankaj? Okay, great, Pankaj. You can unmute yourself, Pankaj.
Hi, sir.
Congratulations, Pankaj.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So Pankaj is a good quizzer, and Deepak, he's a find from your side. So great to have Pankaj as joining us from Vapi and winning this quiz. And as a good gesture, Pankaj, हम क्या करते हैं कि जो प्राइज आपको देना होता है वो हमने डिसाइड किया कि कंट्रीब्यूट करके ऋत्विक को दें. सो ऋत्विक, ग्रेट. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप ऋत्विक के लिए, आप क्विज के बारे में, पंकज?
It was really good. Thank you so much for a wonderful gesture.
So Ritvik, you get 1100 rupees as a prize which was supposed to be given to Pankaj. Pankaj, you can hand over virtually. आप हाथ बढ़ा के दे सकते हैं.
And big hug from you. Big hug from me.
पंकज कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
बस कहना चाहता हूँ सर कि एक शेर याद आ रहा है कि सुरखरू होता है इंसान आफते आने के बाद, रंग लाती है हिना पत्थर पे घिस जाने के बाद. तो बहुत दिनों से मीन्स आप थैंक्स टू दीपक सर एंड यू कि बहुत दिनों से चाह रहा था कि ऐसा मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म मिले एंड फाइनली आई गॉट इट एंड थैंक्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू कि मुझे चांस दिया आपने. इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was for today. We'll see you next week. Good going from all of you, Debasmit, Karthik, Sameer, Sachin, and Nishchil. So, sorry, Chiranjeev. Thanks, Deepak. Thanks, Pulkit. Thanks, Arpita. And once again, congrats to Pankaj. And अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं फिर आपसे इसी समय. Thank you. Thanks for joining.